Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on SONY Xperia 1 Mark 6. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And now click got it and click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Now you have to click back and click back again. Now click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.